Hi, welcome. And today we will be learning about the volume of solids. Many different shapes have many different formulas that calculate their volume. For example, a rectangular prism or a cube. In order for you to find the volume of a rectangular prism, you have to use the formula length times width times height, and you'll get your answer. Or for a cube, V equals A to A cubed. In fact, because I don't know how to say that, but yeah, that's how you find them. So, today we will, and also these are examples of a solid, a cube, and a rectangular prism. So today we are going to find some problems here. We are going to solve them. So here's our first example. We have to find the volume of this rectangular prism. I know that it doesn't look as great as it did at the one in the top, but I tried to make it look good. That was probably the first time I ever made a rectangular prism that looked that good. I'm so proud of myself. But anyways, we have to find the volume of this rectangular prism. First, we need to figure out what is the length, what is the height, and what is the width. So, obviously, right here, this, 4 right here, this is the height. This right here, this 5, is the width. And the number 10 is the length. Next, we need to multiply the height, the width, and the length together. So, here's what the equation would look like. 4 times 5 times 10 equals, or if you want to, you can do it like this: 4 times 5 times 10, because some people get confused with these, or when you write the X in between, because you do, forgot what they're called, but I forgot what they're called. Well, I think it's called a coefficient. I think people mistake them for X's, and they think they're a coefficient, but they're supposed to be multiplication signs. So people get really confused. So they have you either do this, or make a star, or do these right here. Anyways, let's get back to the equation. So 4 times 5 equals 20. And then you take this and you multiply it again times 10. Because 4 times 5 equals 20. So now you bring this down and you multiply the 20 times the 10, and you get 200. Now, I didn't put any units, so let's make up a unit and say that this is a meter, so meters up here. Let's just say that's each of this is 4 meters, 5 meters, 10 meters, and then when you end this, whenever you're doing volume, it's this answer, your units, and cubed anytime you get an answer. So this would be your answer for your equation for over here for what you're figuring out for the solid. Anyways, that's it for today. Bye. I know it's Mr. Malone reading this, so bye, Mr. Malone.